Hi, welcome everyone. This is Ashir Steve here, signing in to another new video. Today we will be discussing how we can install Windows 11 preview on our system by using Windows 10, and we will also use the hypervisor. Go to the Google and then download the preview ISO image from the Google itself or from the Microsoft store. Then we will just go to the installation process. So right now let's dive in, and then we will go through the installation process, and we will see the new feature that is awaiting us. So I will just open up this HyperV Manager from the Windows 10. So now I will just start creating the hypervisor for Windows 11. So let's go to this new, and then we will just click this virtual image. So we will start creating virtual image here. So we go to the, so click next and just give here your Windows, okay, let's Windows 11, let's say preview. Okay, so we'll just name it like that, and then we'll go to the next, and then we will also go to first generation. We select the first generation, and here we will just give, okay, so let's give 2 GB, so 2448. Next, and right now we did not create still this one, so not connected. So if you have like I have created so many of this, but as of now I'm not going to connect. We will connect it later on this one. So next, and then now I am going to assign this hard disk size, just kind of like okay, 40. I'm giving the 40, and I'm going to change this location where I'll be storing. So I'll go to the browse, and I will go to this and then I will come to this VM, and here I will create another one. Say here Windows 11. I'll just write preview. Okay, so I select this, and then yeah, so this is the selection. So now you can see I'm putting in the E drive, the location of this 40 GB hard disk. So we go to the next, and from here now we have to select the Windows image. As of now this is Windows 11, so we have to select the image from this one. So the first one is that if you are decided to select afterward, that is, you can keep that one later, but we want to select, since I already have the image file, so I will just select from here. So install the operating system from bootable CD, DVD, whatever you think, but ours is image. So I'll go to the image, and I will browse to where my Windows 11 here. Okay, so let's select that, and now okay, so Windows 11 there. So now we go to the next, and then we finish, and then the system will check whether everything is okay, working well, good to go. Okay, so now ours is here, preview. But before that, let me create one virtual switch. So let's go to this virtual switch manager, and then I want to create here like one internal. Okay, so if you need internet, you can use this external, but as of now I'm going to use just an internal. I'm not going to use internet. So, or you can use this private as well. So just create, and then just give here Win 11 VLAN, that means private VLAN. Okay, so I'm going to use that. So now apply, and then okay, so this is the switch I'm creating for this one. So now before starting up, so I'll just go to the settings, and from here we go to this network location. Before we did not add, remember, so we can just go to this virtual switch here, and now I have put this one, Windows 11 private virtual local array connection. So I'm given this one. Okay, so apply, and okay, so now we're good to go. So now we can just right click and then start it off. So now this will take us to the installation process. So as you can see, now our Windows is starting, and the installation process is beginning. Let's wait, because it takes some time. Since I'm given actually like the recommendation was 2 GB, and if you give more RAM it will be faster. So now here selected English. Okay, next, the installation process is same like with Windows 10 other operating system. So this setup will take a little bit of time, so we just have to, so right now here if you have a license you have to put there, but right now I don't have license, so I don't have this, so we'll just keep that. And now you can choose. There are different editions of Windows 11 here now, as you can see, but we will choose this professional one, or this professional. Okay, so now next, and then we agreed with the license agreement. Then we go to this custom installation, and from here, as you know, I have given 40 GB hard disk space. So right now there is unallocated, so we can click this new down here, and we want to assign the whole thing or whatever it is. Okay, let me go with this whole thing, and the system will take space for system. So system reserve have taken that 50 MB, and the rest are given to my Windows 11 for the installation. Okay, so we are good to go. So we just click next for the installation, and now Windows 11 installation has begun. So this will take almost like 15 minutes. So we just have to wait. I will have to fast forward this video, and after the completions we will be back. As you can see, now the installation process is finished, and then now it is restarting. The system is restarting. During this time, like they will be asking you to press any key to boot from CD DVD. Don't press again, because if you press again, that installation process from the beginning will start again. So make sure you don't press anything, let it start by itself, and you just see when they ask any questions, you just answer them. The services are starting now, so the system is getting ready for us, and we have to answer certain questions like security questions, updates, and some features to be on off. So now Windows is asking us to just wait for a moment. It's almost done. So now they're asking us the country, so we will just select this United States, and then we will just click yes. So some certain settings also they have changed, so this looks also have changed. So we will skip these things, so we don't need this, so we'll just skip that. And you can see now they will tell us or ask us to connect to the internet, but I'm not using the internet as of now, so we will also just ignore that. And then I'm going to use this with a limited setup as of now. And now they're asking us the device name, so I just have to give a name here. Okay, so I'm just giving that my name as of now, and the password of the system, so you just have to put the password. Okay, but you have to remember that. Okay, next. Okay, so now here they will ask you to give this privacy settings and all that for locations. Okay, a device. Okay, I'll just put that. Some of the things which you don't like, you can just always off. Oh, that is okay. Next, in just a moment we will be there in our Windows 11. So this might take a few minutes once again. So still working for a few things, almost there. So now our Windows is ready, so we can just log in by giving the password. So now get ready to see the looks of Windows 11. There it goes. So the first appearance of this Windows 11. Windows Start menu has come in the middle here, in the center, with the rounded icons, and then Microsoft Edge is already built in, and you can see some widgets and all that. Microsoft Store is here. Start menu, this is a search, you can search anything here. So as you can see, the icons of this, the folder option, everything is, the looks has changed. See that. Okay, so okay, confirm and sign in without this. Okay, so let's say we have like this browser, you can see. So now as you can see, we can work side by side like that. So this is Windows. Let's see the looks here. So you can see the folder and all that is also, the looks also change. They have put different colors there, it looks better. And now this is the Windows 11 Pro here, and if I try to do this, can minimize that, and you can also see it here again if you want to open this one only alone. And some of the settings also, let's see the side taskbar here, we can also expand. Okay, these are almost the same, they're here, settings there, and you can see we can also scroll down, scroll up, and there are different apps there. This Windows icons to the side, and here we can see all the apps and all whatever is there installed. Here is everything you can see. Let's open our keyboard. Okay, so yes, you can see that you can also change the looks. These are the same, and then we can also see the personalized, but then remember this is just a preview. On 24th of this month they will release, so we just have to wait. So as of now most of the things are locked, and they have also put the dark screen there, so we can also see that these are okay to give that. Okay, so we can close that. So now the looks are like that, so it's pretty good. It's pretty exciting. If you have put anything that open, they give you another icons that things are open, so you can just close that. And now if you want to shut down, you just go here, and then you have an option here, power off, and then you have a disconnect, and then here shut down, restart, those things are there. And then you have the user account here, the user is been shown there. And then settings, let's check a little bit of settings here. Okay, so settings, and the settings, I think the most of them are good, but now the icons have become rounded. Mostly it has taken that, but in the new, that the latest one, I think it will be pretty much there will be so much more things, new things. I'm sure every one of you will be liking it, since we already experienced Windows 10 and all that. It also is good, but now Windows 11, there will be a lot of things. On the 24th you can start installing, downloading and install the new Windows 11. So let's wait for that. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and smash the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video.